So what I want to talk to you about today is this little Canon PowerShot A570IS. It's very small and compact. 7.1 megapixels is the size of this camera. Just take a little tour all around it. This is the front. Here's the flash built into the side. We have some ports on the side here. We have AV out right here, DC power right inside here to pull this off. Here is the back. Here is the where you'll see the image. Here, all the different functions, power button here, and all the different settings here, automatic and so forth. So to use the camera, before we use the camera, actually, let's go back to the bottom. The bottom has the batteries right here. Let me show you. So two AA batteries and an SD card go in the bottom. So that's where that goes. Let's close that back up again. Now to power up the camera, all you have to do is hit the power button, and you can see there how the camera lens extends. It does have, you have to set the time and date. Most of these Canons you do. Just hit, hit OK, like that, and then you can see here is my hand in the viewfinder, so you can see how that works. It has a zoom lens right here, as you can see. That does function back and forth. Very easy to use. Different presets have auto, manual, video, all different settings right here on the actual camera itself. So super easy to use and just fantastic. Take a photo. All you do is hold the camera, take a picture, and there's my hand. There's my hand right there. You can see that. Really easy to see and really easy to use. Playback is a switch right here for camera and playback. Just push down the playback, and there you go. You can actually look at your photos that you just shot. So really easy to use. Nice functional camera. Shut the power down. That's how you do it. Again, this is what it looks like all around. It does have also a little adapter on the bottom, so you want to put it to a tripod, you can do that as well. If you want to get in the photos, you can set a timer. All different stuff. Has a little strap on it. Just a cool little camera, pocket little camera. Very popular. People love the old vintage tech, and I think it's just super simple, super easy. And why use up all the memory in your phone when you can have a camera in your pocket? That's what I have. Love the Canon products, so you can see what it looks like. Appreciate your time. Hope you enjoyed this quick review.